Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin. Let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact which you'd like to customize and tap on it. And now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now let's tap on add picture, and now you can choose from different categories, let's say. So here in the device photos you can either open your gallery or tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app. You can choose it from Google Photos, so basically backed up photos, monogram, so you can use the first letter of the name or the surname, or both, because you can use two. You can just tap on it and then change it to something like that. You can change the background color, you can also change the font, totally up to you. And illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize, you can choose something from those options. So let me pick maybe this one. Here we've got also the presets, so we can change the colors of the specific photo. Basically, you will be also able to zoom in or out the photo, just like that, using two fingers. Change the position of it. You can also change the size of this highlighted circle, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So as I said, position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. And now your device will show you the photo inside this circle, so just tap on save if you are happy with the results, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.